So guys, I'm trying to create something better for the sub spindle for the Nakamura, so let me just talk you through that. On the sub spindle in the Nakamura, it has this plunger that comes in and out, and it takes M12 by 1.75 mil. It has an M12 by 1.75 mil thread on it. So I have previously just taken threaded rod and just pushed it in there whatever length that I needed. I want to do something better than that. So it's M486 to send the sends that the little pusher out, and M485 to bring it back in. And I need to work out how long I need these to be, or what the total distance is between the back of there. Oh, it goes all the way through. Okay, we don't want to go all the way through. Okay, up to, I want to go, this is quite difficult to measure, but I want to go up to the back edge of there, up to the face of the chuck. And it looks like it's, so if it's actually about 125. I'm a little bit off there, but about 125. That's a good reference starting place for that. So this was my first one that I made, and obviously it's not correct, but yeah, I want that plunger to come all the way through. Now the stroke is quite long, so it depends on how long you want the stroke to come. I kind of, with 1 inch parts, I kind of want the plunger to push all the way out the chuck, because we get swarf issues where essentially we're getting this swarf that's building up on the inside. So I'm considering whether or not to put an O-ring on the outer edge or not, but I'm gonna remodel this and then see what we can come up with. The depth of the back side of this collet is actually about 40 mil. I know these are really rough measurements, aren't they, for what is a precision machining kind of thing, but I'm going to take 40 mil off that 125, and that's how long I'm going to make the stud. Okay, so that's it modelled. Let's have a little look. So that was the one that I created a minute ago. So I'm going to just work out the difference between these two and work out how much I need to move my offsets. So there's the version I've just done now, so I'm just going to pop that down there. I've got no thread gauge, so I had to really roughly get that as close as I possibly could. And I've obviously not sanded the pip off of this yet, but I just want to see that it fits. So it screws in really nicely. There's a bit of play, but it's pretty good. It's going in all the way. So that's it in all the way. What we'll do is we'll put the collet in, and then we'll see where that comes up to. Well, I kind of got that horrendously wrong. I want the plunger to sort of sit on the back side of this collet. So I need to make it a bit longer. Screwed up. I just nicked this bit of the chuck. It's just caught right there. So I'm having to angle grind this off, and I've moved my offset another few mil this way. It looks pretty good. Not all the way touching. We can't really have it all the way touching anyway, because you need that gap for the collet to actually close and open. Right, so on the MDI M486 ender block, insert, and then if we hit cycle start, there you go. See that? Let's run. Yeah, it looks like it works pretty well. Well guys, I hope you agree that that little sub spindle pusher worked out really well. I've got some smaller ones to do, but I don't need to show you those. Maybe we'll at a later point. Anyway, I'm going to go and enjoy the weekend with the family. See you later. Have a wonderful one. Bye.